In this lecture, we will try to understand method overriding. What is this method overriding? First, we will try to understand this particular concept with the help of simple program. Then we will try to understand theory behind this method overriding. I already discussed method overloading in my previous lectures. Now we will try to understand what is method overriding. Just observe this class. This is beginning of the class. This is ending of the class. This is class space class name test. What is my class name? It is test, in which I have a method void display. Just I am keeping a message, a simple message in this particular class, that is hello one. This is the simplest class in the universe, isn't it? Just I defined a class in which I am keeping a simple method whose name is display. Just I am displaying a simple message hello one. What is this? Class space class name is nog1_59. What is syntax? Class space subclass. This is subclass. Just try to recall previous lectures. Class space subclass name extends superclass name. This is my superclass name, isn't it? That is existing class name. Otherwise, I can say parent class name or base class name. This is subclass is derived class name or child class name. Anyway, we know the syntax. Class space subclass name extends superclass name. Again, void display. Just observe, in my superclass I have void display. In my subclass also I have void display. Their return type same, their name also same, but they have got different body. Here I am displaying hello one. Here I am displaying hello two. It differs in terms of body. Here in terms of class test, we have display where we are displaying hello one, but in the class nog1_59 we are displaying hello two. Just observe carefully. Now what's happening? This is beginning of this void display method. This is ending. This is class beginning. This is class ending. Of course, this is public stat void main beginning ending. We know what is the meaning of public static void main. How can I create an object in Java programming language? Usually we have to create object for subclass which has properties of superclass as well as its own class. This is class name nog1_59. This is my class name. D1 is object name, new class name. Isn't it? This is syntax which we learned how to create an object. Now what am I doing? Object dot method d1 dot display. This particular subclass has got, it can access its superclass void display and its own void display. In which case d1 dot display means what happens. Let me show the output once. Just observe carefully. What output are you getting? You are getting output hello 2. This is JAVS space nog1_59.java, JAVS space nog1_59. If I run this program, what output I will get? I will get hello 2. If you are getting hello 2 means, what does it mean? This particular method is executing. Why? Because it is displaying output of hello 2. In which case what happens? This is related to subclass method. This is subclass method, isn't it? This one is superclass method. This one is superclass method. Which one is executing? Which one is executing? If I call with the help of subclass object, it is executing subclass method. Why? Because it is displaying hello 2. Which one is hiding? Your subclass method is hiding. I can say overriding. Hiding in the sense it is overriding. Which one is overriding? Your subclass method is overriding superclass method. Therefore, therefore you are getting output as hello2. What is method overriding? Method overriding means if your subclass method overrides superclass method. What does it mean? To overriding, what it must be satisfy this condition. They must have same name. Same name. Same name. Even they must have same argument. Same arguments. Isn't it? Same return type. Same return type. What does it mean? Isn't it? This is my superclass method. This is my superclass. SC means superclass, let me say. Let me say otherwise this is superclass method. What about this? This is subclass method. Subclass method. Just see, compare. Display. That's what I am saying. They must have same name, same arguments. Of course, here I am not keeping any arguments. Here also I am not keeping arguments. Same return type. This display has got void return type. This must also has got void return type. Isn't it? The methods, they must have, the methods which are in superclass and subclass must have same name, same arguments, same return type. Isn't it? Then when that method is called, the method, when method is called, when method means when the display method is called, when the display method is called, the method defined, the method defined in the subclass, the method defined in the subclass is invoked, is executed, is invoked instead of the one in the superclass. What does it mean? Your method which is available in subclass overrides the method which is available in superclass. If the superclass and the subclass have the same method, just see, same return type, same name, same arguments, we say that superclass method is overridden by subclass method. What does it mean? Your subclass method overrides superclass method. It is called method overriding. In the case of method overriding, the subclass, in the case of method overriding, in the case of method overriding, the subclass prefers to call its own method. What does it mean? Your subclass method overrides superclass method. Therefore, you are getting hello2 input. I request all of you to go through overloading, method overloading. I already discussed in my previous lectures what is method overloading, but this is method overriding, so that we will try to understand what is the difference between method overloading and method overriding in next few lectures. Time being, just go through this overloading. I already discussed. This class is about method overriding. Method overriding is a simple concept. In the case of method overriding, your subclass method overrides superclass method. Let me demonstrate this. This is simple and straightforward program. Let me say JAVAC space, what is my class name? nog1_59. JAVAC space nog1_59.java. And how can I run this program? It is simple and straightforward. JAVA space nog1_59. What output are you getting? You are getting what output you are getting. If you want, you can change this size. Okay, I think it's visible, isn't it? What output you are getting? You are getting hello2. This is the concept behind your method overriding. In the case of method overriding, your subclass method overrides your superclass method. In the context of method overriding, your subclass prefers to call its own method instead of superclass method. Thank you very much.